truck? Alright, on today's agenda, I'm just going to be cleaning and bedding some calf pins. And yeah, I mean, that's the only orders that I've been given so far today. There'll probably be more that goes on later on today, but we'll see as it goes. Alright, I already got 2 of the 5 pins that I'm cleaning today cleaned out. Got these next 3. And then there's 2 pins in the barn that I'm gonna bed as well. So I'll probably show me bedding all the pins, and then we're gonna get 2 calves moved today. And yeah, just a quick little update. Apparently we had some hay bales tip over, so I gotta take the bucket off, put the hay fork on, and go get them restacked. Alright, just got the hay fork put on. Now we're gonna go snag some hay bales, pretty sure they look like those, and restack them. Be back in a sec. Now we get to watch a real pro in his natural habitat. My skills with the tractor are nothing to be proud about. My dad, on the other hand, though, has been dairying for 40 years now. Finesses it like any operator would. Park him right next to the big mud truck and the old feed wagon. And that's one. Go grab the other 2. And here he comes with the last one. Whoa! Did it hit the truck? Oh God, not the Chevy. Oh no. Nobody tell Jordan. Be careful you don't take his bumper off. Sheesh. I was just praising him for being a master operator, and he's just gonna drop a bale right on the Chev. I don't think it hurt it though. This thing's stout. Ugh. Crazy old man. Yeah, just put it down over there somewhere, undercover. Watch out for that T-post. You might just go set it back on the pallet actually now. Oh no, bringing it in for a second try. Smooth as butter. Now we got a nice little 3 stack. You ever been having a good day, just chilling, laughing, having fun, and then all of a sudden the entire crotch blows out of your pants? Yeah. But anyways, 1 pin left, and then we'll get them bedded and get some calves moved. Alright, now it's time to do some OSHA approved tractor parkour and get some straw down so I can go bed those pins. Easy peasy. I'll get this filled up and then I'll be back. Get the bucket filled up with straw. And go and bed those pens and get some calves moved finally. Alrighty. I'm gonna get all this straw pitched up into that pen over there, and then we'll get some calves moved. And then I might take the dirt bike out and go check on the corn, go see if I can get lost in a cornfield, you know? But yeah, I'll be back once I get this done. Alright, we got plenty of straw in there, all nice and fluffed up. The longer they stay in there, they kind of pack it down like how this one's pen is. Hey buddy, what are you doing? But yeah. Nice and happy. New little homes. Gotta get some feed for the cows. Go in with that grain. Another scoop of grass silage. This will probably be the last scoop of grass silage that he puts in. Now he's gonna go snag some corn silage. Just slowly turn it. Mixes it around. Comes with another scoop. Another scoop. He has a little scale right there, so he knows exactly how much feed he's putting in. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna call it a day and go get some dinner, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Have a good one.